Hi everyone, this is Hanno from the Dynamite workshop. I have a Husqvarna 455 Rancher chainsaw, and here's a little bubble for starters to pump in the gasoline that has a pipe that connects here and goes underneath all the way over here to the tank down there. You see, that's the very bottom there. The one to the right is for the regular gasoline supply for the engine, but this one is just for the bubble. So I had to put a new one in, and I used some needle nose pliers, grab it and push it in from the top, and then it was a little bit difficult to get it underneath the engine part to come out over this side, but I used some long tweezers and pushed it under there and then pulled it out over here. So thanks for watching. Have fun doing it yourself.